I was challenged by Antoine Eats, and these are all the people that I nominate to do the Farm and See challenge. Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I was challenged by Antoine Eats to do the Farm and See challenge. I don't like shrimp, but I'm going to share a simple recipe that I probably can tolerate the shrimp today. So we chop it up really fine, and then over here we have some green peppers, onion, and garlic, and we're gonna season. So first we have some Cajun seasoning that we picked up from Kroger. So we're gonna add about 1 teaspoon, because this is the only form of seasoning or salt we're gonna put on there. And then we're gonna add a half a teaspoon of black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and so this half a teaspoon of each of them. And then we're gonna add about 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and then we're gonna add all of those into that. We're just gonna get in there and we're gonna combine. All right, so this is gonna be one delicious recipe, simple and easy. Then we're gonna heat some canola oil in the pan, and we're gonna saute this up and add a little bit of coconut milk and taste it, and then maybe we need to add a little salt to it or something, but just follow the recipe. And then we're gonna have 2 delicious cheese beef patties from Jamaica. So that's gonna be our farm, and then this is gonna be our seat. So I'll see you guys here soon. We have some beautiful green plantains, and we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt over the top of it. And we're gonna fry these. So these are like twice fried green plantain. So we're gonna fry them almost like a steaming process to get them nice and soft. And then we're gonna smash them. I think in the Latin culture they call these tostones, but you know, we call them fried green plantain in Jamaica, pressed plantain. So that's what we're gonna do. And then this is gonna be almost like our chip that we're gonna use to dip up our coconut curry shrimp. You know, so stay tuned. Guys, now we're adding all our plantain to our oil, and we're gonna fry them up until they're nice and soft. And then we're gonna take them out and press them on a piece of parchment paper until they're nice and flat. And then we're gonna fry them again for just a few more minutes, all right? So stay tuned. You guys can see our plantain develop a nice little pale color, so they're nice and steamed. So we're gonna take them out, and then we're gonna press them flat. And once we press them flat, then we're gonna give them another fry. You see we have our plantain right there on our foil, and we're just gonna kind of press it. It's a little hot. And see, we have a nice flat chip. So we're just gonna continue this and drop them back in the fryer. I'm not gonna make the cooking part of this video very long because it's mostly about the challenge of eating seafood and some farm, you know. So our plantains are nicely pressed, and we're adding them to the oil. We're gonna fry them up until they're nice and crispy and create more like a chip. All right, so I'll see you guys in just a moment. In our saute pan right here, we heat 2 tablespoons of canola oil. We're adding in all of our shrimp. And this is gonna be a really quick recipe, because the shrimp is cut up into small pieces, so you don't have to do this for long. So you're just sauteing this. And then you're gonna add just a little bit of water, and then your coconut milk, and it's gonna simmer for just maybe 2-3 minutes. All right, guys, so our shrimp has sauteed for a few minutes. That's about 2 tablespoons of water that we rinse out our container. And then we're gonna add probably about 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut milk. And we're just gonna mix this around and let it simmer for another minute. So this is a very quick coconut curry shrimp. You want to reduce it until it's nice and thick. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing the Farm and See challenge. I was challenged by it was ASMR Antoine, but no, it's Antoine Eats. So right here, I'm not a lover of shrimp, but right here you can see some delicious shrimp, coconut curry shrimp that we created. Just nice and beautiful, nice and creamy, but you know, it's a good way to get it started. All right. And then on our plate, we have some Jamaican beef patty with cheese. So we're gonna get a thumbnail. All right. And then we have some twice fried green plantain. These are almost like tostones. No, is it yeah, tostones they call them in Latin culture. So we're gonna get started on our beef patty. And I made sure I brought my napkins today because this probably get messy. This beef patty is so delicious. Wow. The beef patty is also hot. So you got to make sure that you make it cool. All right, so there's our tostone and there's our shrimp. We're going to put some of our shrimp mixture on there. Let's look at that. Wow. This is delicious. So because of the challenge, that's the only reason why you're going to see me eat some of this shrimp. But I won't eat a lot of it because I'm not a shrimp fan. But as you can see, the recipe is very delicious. If you want to try, same procedure with whole shrimp. This beef patty, so delicious. These are ones that I bought from Walmart. So I didn't make these from scratch, but these are like the perfect substitute to a delicious beef patty from Jamaica. Don't microwave it though. Make sure you put it in the oven. Just look how flaky that is. I'm gonna dip this in the coconut cream sauce. It's funny because I can eat the sauce from the shrimp, but I don't like the texture of shrimp. And that sauce is so delicious. Wow. Whew. If you never tried Jamaican beef patty, you're missing out. Just wow. Hopefully the next day when I do this challenge, I'll have a piece of fish or something. But I was challenged and I didn't have any fish. I had shrimp in the fridge because there's some people in my family who like shrimp. So I said, might as well share the recipe and do this channel. Now how many of you watch what happens live? Did y'all catch that little tiff with Kenya and Miss Squad? If you haven't, check it out. That was hilarious. But I knew once you bring two of those women with large personality, something like that would happen. Make sure you let your beef patty cool on a little bit, because if not, you're gonna be burning your mouth. And you know, this coconut curry shrimp that we have here would be good in like an empanada or a pizza crust. Wow. I have the worst toothache. I just hurt my teeth up. Oh man. But the work must go on, you know? You can't say I didn't take 2 bites of the shrimp, but I just can't do it. So I'll stick with the sauce. Wow. That is so delicious. So guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to tag the 5 people down below that I'm challenging to do this challenge, or I may plug it afterwards. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Love y'all.